Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically zoom in to your video by using either keyframes or this video effect. So just select any video that you want to zoom into. I'll just select, for instance, this one. So you can either use keyframes. You're just going to add a keyframe and transform, and then when you want to zoom in, you're just going to scale it quite a bit like that so it can, like zoom in. There's also effects that can help you do that without keyframes. So go to the effects section and just type in zoom, and you're just going to, for instance, select this zoom lens one and you're going to add it. I'm just going to adjust the range, and I'm just going to make it slower as well, so the zoom in speed isn't too fast. Like that. And that's pretty much it really. It does like zoom out again if the range is like super small, I guess. I think I have to make it a little bit more zoomed. I don't know, but it's a little bit better if you use the keyframe so you can adjust the zoom yourself. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!